152 more COVID-19 patients discharged in Assam. Locals demand continuation of Hamran Girls High School. Headmaster confident of better result in 2021. Arrival of migrant worker creates panic among Dolamara public. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. Assam Health Department is receiving more achievements in treating COVID patients as another 152 persons were discharged on Wednesday. This was informed by Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma through his official page. With 152 persons, Assam has been able to successfully treat 1,249 patients. The minister has highly lauded the efforts of the state's health workers who have been working relentlessly from the time the first COVID-19 case was detected in the state. However, the number of new cases is still on the rise and the state's total daily of positive cases reached 3,092 with death toll touching 6 at the time of this report was filed. Meanwhile, India is rapidly moving towards becoming the fifth most affected country with 2,80,067 positive cases and 7,797 deaths reported. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Assam government's decision to shut down Hamran Girls High School has created uproar among the locals. Public has demanded that the intervention of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in the matter. Owing to 0% pass percentage in the recent HSLC exam, the government of Assam has announced the closure of 17 schools across the state. Hamran Girls High School is one of the two schools from West Karbi Anglong district that has been listed in the school closure list. It may be mentioned here that only 2 candidates appeared in HSLC 2020 from this school. Both were repeaters and unfortunately none of them cleared the exams. The school was established in 1985 with Assamese as the medium of instruction. Since then, the school began performing well and many students have successfully cleared their board exam. However, due to several problems, the former headmaster could not run the school properly and the number of students dwindled so much that in 2018, only 5 students were enrolled in class 10. By 2019, the total number of students in the entire school was only 12.
2020 new term document nifty EPRG 2 from fill up the by thong roll high by thomatonta tuning ke phela tu regular student ke inutawe la ba thomangbong bahini tumse EPR chalo inut bang ke dia dalo lage EPR pe dalo roll bahini atong mangbong ta inutanang umundi.
However, after the retirement of the former principal, the local MEC Mongol Singh Timung had discussion with the local citizens. They converted the school into English medium and brought Dhadiram Sharma to the school and handed him the charge of headmaster. In addition to this, admission to boys also started. And as a result, the school has now 484 students and out of them, 51 will be appearing HSLC exam in 2021. The new headmaster as well as the entire teaching staff is very hopeful to get better result in the next board examination. So they want the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to negotiate with the state government to keep the school running for the betterment of the society. Daniel Inghi from Hamran reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest incident, an arrival of a migrant worker from Bihar to his uncle Dolamara, Nagaland, under Dolamara police station has created fear and shock among the local as to how the person managed to enter the district evading checkpoints or any screening tests anywhere. The youth identified as Sanjeev Bhokura, who arrived at his uncle's house in Dolamara on Wednesday morning, has created fear and anxiety among local public. The public of the area are also angry over his uncle Sanjay as he also failed to inform the police about the matter before the youth arrived. Local people of the area has also expressed their shock as to how a person from outside Northeast India managed to enter Karbi Anglong without being screened for COVID-19. Following this, people of the area has questioned the purpose or credibility of checkpoints at Dolamara, at Borbanta, and in the entry points at Karbi Anglong, Golaghat district.
আহা টাইমত দিয়া নাই ই আহি পাই গ'ল চাপজুৰি আহিলে মই ৰাতিপুৱা ল'বলৈ গ'লোঁ থানাত গৈছোঁ থানাত ক'লে ছাৰে নাই 10-11টাত আহিবি তো ল'ৰাটো তেতিয়ালৈকে ঘৰলৈকে আহি গ'ল।
Following this, VDC Chairman Sir Koirongphar told Karbi Anglong Live that 18 family members of Sanjeev Bhokura has been ordered not to go outside for any purpose until further order to undergo home quarantine for the safety of all, including the public of the area. Later in the day, VDC Chairman Sir Koirongphar told Karbi Anglong Live that the youth came directly to Dolamara from Bihar and the matter has been informed to Civil SDO about the matter, and the family has been asked to stay home and their movement to be monitored either by the police or VDP. Meanwhile, local people of the area has demanded that the entire family be shifted to official quarantine center set up in each MSC constituency due to lack of water in area and safety of entire area. It may be mentioned that a test has been conducted on the youth on Wednesday afternoon and medical team from Chokihola is expected to arrive today. RG Sarongphar reporting from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. Several youths in the district are not pleased with the several forms of taxes involved in the trade of sand. Following this, a new body of sand suppliers was informed in the district. More from our correspondent. On June 9 evening, a meeting of several sand suppliers from the district was called at Manja Dairy Farmhouse Cattle Demonstration Guest House. The new body was formed after thorough discussion and unanimous agreement, following which Sukur Singh Crow was appointed as President, John Rongphar as Vice President, Mongol Ingleng as Secretary, Ong Song Bay as Finance Secretary, and Kiri Tiso as Publicity Secretary.
Alam bangke nilitum along supplier bangke aban na dopi akimi gado. Tapene pinangana song kiklen gado kabe pen. Lasi pinia bangke laso pinangana ajak dingui pen kajak un mate ke thegunlong bensi nilitum na so song bangke amhang par thek kono pang tang pom si kado bita ning siya to se chap.
The association has pointed that sand suppliers are not able to make any profit due various taxes charged on them, so the new body was formed with the hope to solve these several issues. In addition to this, the new association said that the Sand Mahaldar Association have also expressed their support to them. Bikram Crow reporting from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. To motivate and encourage the youths to carry out productive works during the lockdown while being at home, the Youth for Nature NGO team from Dongkamukam organized various competitions including DIY craft, photography and painting. A poetry composition with a theme on World Environment Day was also held. More from our correspondent. Sarnongklar Hanse from Bolongkam Aji won the prize in DIY craft competition. Riday Teron from Diphu won the prize in painting, while Serlongki Inghi from Dongkamukam won the prize in photography section. Likewise, Ningpliso Teron, a resident of Hamren Church of God Mission Center, Rongkarbi, Hamren, won the prize in poetry section. Ningpliso is the son of Reverend Pilkingson Teron and late Flourish Tokupi. Kabon Mili Tisopi from Youth from Nature went up to Hamren to hand over the saplings and certificate as the winning prize for the competition. Meanwhile, Longbini Rongpi from Denarong won the prize in the online poem recitation competition organized by the Jambali Literary Foundation. It may be mentioned here that 46 participants took part in the competition and all of the participants have received praises for their interest in literature. Daniel Inghi reporting from Hamren, reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.